Hi everybody, welcome to Mike's Garage. Well, I want to tell you about one of the specials we're having here at Filter Queen. If you're having problems with the motor section of your Filter Queen, you can send it in. What we're going to do for you is I want you to take the tool caddy off. We don't want you to send that in. I want you to take the cone support off of the bottom, okay? And just send in the top part. It's pretty easy to do. You pack it up, wrap the cord around it, send it in. What we're going to do is we're going to tear it down. We're going to polish it all up, just like we did to this one, made it nice and shiny. As long as you took care of it and it's not all rusty, we can get it back to a nice, good shine. We're going to replace the filter in here, which is the silencing filter. We're going to replace the motor guard, which is on the bottom. And we're going to put a new scent pad on, which is the other filter that's on the top, under here. Plus, we're going to put in a brand new motor. Okay, all for $2.99, and we pay to ship it back. Tear it all down, rebuild the whole thing, 3 new filters that you usually don't change yourself, brand new motor, any switches or wires that are bad, we also replace those. And like I say, it's free shipping to send it back. Give us a call. There's the 800 number. Can you get it? There's the 800 number. Give us a call. We'll tell you more about the other specials that we have here at Filter Queen. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage.